Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install SecureCRT. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser and make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to enter SecureCRT space download and press enter. You'll get this first official link to download SecureCRT. So this software is basically available. If you get this pop-up, select I agree and continue. Okay, so this software is available for Windows, Mac OS as well as Linux. Okay, we are going to download for 64-bit Windows. So there are two options. First, we are going to select this SecureCRT. This is the latest version available. Click on this link. On this page, you need to select your country and click on download now. This will start download setup file. So once the download is complete, click on open. You will get a pop-up, select yes. This will start the installation of SecureCRT. Okay. You'll get this welcome screen. Click on next. You will get the important warning message that if you are trying to upgrade, if you are previously using SecureCRT and you have downloaded the latest version and you are trying to upgrade, it is going to change the settings of the previous software. So it is better to open the previous software, export the settings and then upgrade it. Okay, in our case we are doing a fresh installation, so then click on continue. You'll get a pop-up, select over here I accept the terms and click on next. Okay, we are going to go with the common profile, affect all users, click on next. Complete installation, click on next. I'll check this add a desktop shortcut for SecureCRT, then click on next. Click on install. I'll uncheck this. If you want, you can keep it checked and click on finish. Now this is the software icon for SecureCRT. We have installed 9.7 version. You can double click it to launch. Okay, so it is not a free software, it is a paid software, but you can use it for the evaluation period of 30 days. Okay, you can select I agree, start the software. We'll go with the without configuration passphrase and click on OK. And that's how the interface of SecureCRT looks. So this software is commonly used to securely connect to and manage remote systems. It is a professional software and you'll need to use or buy the license to use this software beyond the evaluation period. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.